How to lock and unlock IDI's 100UC Plus Urology Table. First, check the hand control battery. When its battery falls below 20%, the LED light will flash slowly 4 times when a key is pressed. If the battery is low, replace it before use. Use a high-quality CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Replace the battery every 3 months. Next, ensure the hand control is connected to the table via Bluetooth. To learn how to pair the hand control to your table, watch the pairing video. Wake the table. Press any button to wake the table from sleep mode. If pressing a button does not work, engage the e-stop and then disengage it. Check the lock status by pressing any button on the hand control. If it emits a steady beeping sound when pressed, the table is unlocked. You may also give it a slight push. If the table moves, its front casters are unlocked. To lock the table, press the lock button once, pause about 1 second, and then press it again. Do not press any buttons for the duration of the locking process. As the lock engages, the front pod will rise slightly, and the beeping tone will emit throughout the process. Once the beeping stops completely, the front casters are locked. Next, lock the rear casters by pressing the locking lever downward until it is fully engaged. Always lock the rear casters before loading the patient onto the table. Failure to fully lock both casters can create a serious safety hazard. To verify that the table is secure, gently push the table and confirm that it does not move. Once the table is fully locked, the tabletop will respond to your control inputs. If you hear a beeping tone when attempting to adjust the tabletop, locking was unsuccessful. You must restart the process. For further assistance, call IDI Help Desk at 978-829-0009.